Is your external component the jpeg62.dll not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish IJG links. Get the professional jpeg62 fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the jpeg62, the Independent JPEG Group IJG Library version 6.2. It manages unmanaged routines for baseline JPEG compression and decompression. It facilitates the rendering of static visual manifests within legacy 2D software. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. If jpeg62.dll is missing, it typically indicates a break in your system's rendering stack. Use the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime web installer to restore legacy D3DX and Xaudio files, then verify your GPU drivers to support any OpenCL or OpenGL dependencies. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the jpeg62 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like jpeg62.dll in your System32 folder. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. Review options for improved system responsiveness by consulting the primary tool linked below for jpeg62. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix jpeg62. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.